Here's how you can make a post like this using 100% AI completely for free in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, you need to go to chat.openai.com and you need to put a prompt in like this. Now what I wanted to do is turn this into a MidJourney prompt. So what you can do is come in here, type in /imagine, and then type in the words that you're looking for to make an image from. So you can come down here and you can kind of learn how MidJourney works. Or what you could do is actually cheat. So if we remember back onto ChatGPT, what we wanted was an image of somebody on a trampoline, okay? So what I'm going to do is come into one of these rooms, but we've just typed in the word trampoline. Okay, so this was actually one of the latest images that was produced, and this is Darth Vader on a trampoline. This image looks exactly like Darth Vader, and he is on a trampoline. Now, if you remember back onto ChatGPT, there's actually a few different things that we want to do with this image. Now, unfortunately, ChatGPT is rubbish at text, so never ever ask it to do any text, because it just doesn't work. Same with hands. It's not the best of hands, but you can see this time it got it right. So it is improving over time. What we're going to do is we need to put in the caption text and the punchline text. So you can see ChatGPT has actually told us exactly what to put on this. So we're going to take this image, put it into Canva, which is again completely free, and then make this into the image that you saw at the start. So let's come into Canva and we're going to type in Instagram. Okay, we want this into a Instagram post in a portrait size because that will take up the most room. Now what we need is some text at the top and some text at the bottom, so we're just going to do that now. Okay, and we are done. What we're now going to do is go back to ChatGPT. We have all 3 elements that they told us in here, and then we're going to come in here and I'm actually going to get the post and the hashtags as well. So it says obviously don't forget to include your Instagram or your handle or whatever else, because people will steal these images. So add that in as well. And when you post the image, you might use a caption like "a little marketing humour to brighten your day." If you've got a better joke, we're all ears. Marketing humour. So you can see here they have 1 hashtag. Okay, so now what we're going to do is come in here and say, give me the hashtags for Instagram for this post.
A few minutes later.
So now you can see that ChatGPT has given us a load of different hashtags to use for this post as well. Now if you come over to the Facebook group, the link is in my bio, then you can get this image for free. And then the last thing I need to do obviously is you need to add in your @name or your business logo. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll leave a link to this template in the Facebook group as well, so you can make these images yourself.